Dear students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to study the first chapter of class 10, physics electricity. As you know, we have a large amount of demand of electricity. How would be the day if there is no fan, no light, no TV, no mobile phones? It would be a very horrible day. We cannot think a day like that. We cannot think a day without electricity, because electricity is very, very necessary for entire human being. In this chapter, we will talk about what are the different terms which is related to electricity, what are the different studies and laws in the field of electricity. Right? At the end of this chapter, you will get a clear idea about what are the laws of electricity and how is electricity produced, what are the terms, and etc. Many more things. It will be very interesting, and this chapter is very interesting. Now let's start the class. Firstly, the term is charges, different charges. You have heard about the word charge, I think. Charges are of two types, positive charge and negative charge. Whenever we are talking about electricity, there should be a conductor, conductor is needed for passing a charge from one place to another. Electricity is passing from one place to another. That is conductor. What is conductor? Conductor is a substance which allows the electricity to pass through it. It may be a metal or anything like iron, copper, everything is a conductor of electricity. In such conductors, there are some atoms. You have learned in chemistry that every substance is made up of atoms, and atoms consist of protons, neutrons and electrons. Positively charged particles are protons and negatively charged particles are electrons. In such a way, every conductor has positive and negative charge carrying particles. So positive and negative charges are two types of charges, right? And what are the properties of positive and negative charges? Similar charges repel each other and different charges attract each other, and there are many more properties of charges. In this chapter, we have to understand the SI unit of charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb. SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is denoted by the letter Q. Right? Now, electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is a flow of charges. Right? Meaning of the current. Meaning of the word current is something which is flowing, right? From one place to another. In this way, we can say that whenever water is flowing through the river, we can say that there is a current of water. So current means something which is running, otherwise flowing. In the same way, whenever charges are flowing through a conductor from one place to another, we can say that there is an electric current. So electric current is flow of charges. Right? It is denoted by the letter I. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Ampere is the SI unit of electric current. Right? What is 1 ampere? 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second, because electric current is the rate of flowing charges. So you know that whenever we are talking about rate of something, then time should be in the denominator. So 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Right? Next topic is electric potential. Electric potential is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. That means electric potential is for a point. Electric potential for a point A in a conductor. For example, this is a conductor. This is a conductor, and this point is A. Right? The point A is in the conductor, and some charges, a unit positive charge, a unit of charge is coming from infinity. I don't know where it is come from. Maybe it is coming from infinity. This is infinity, and the amount of work done for bringing the charge from infinity to this point. Infinity से एक यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को पॉइंट ए तक लाने में कितना वर्क हुआ, उस वर्क को इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट ए, इस पॉइंट के इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल कहते हैं. इन द सेम वे यू कैन से दैट व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी इन द कंडक्टर. Electric potential at B is the amount of work done in bringing a unit charge from infinity to the point B. इन्फिनिटी से पॉइंट B तक एक यूनिट चार्ज को लाने में कितना वर्क हुआ, कितने अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क हुआ, उस वर्क को पॉइंट B का इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल कहते हैं. सो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट A इज द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इन ब्रिंगिंग ए यूनिट चार्ज फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू द पॉइंट A. इन वैसे हर एक पॉइंट का इस तरह इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल का डेफिनेशन आप जान सकते हैं, राइट. सो SI यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज वोल्ट, राइट, and 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per second, because 1 volt is the amount of rate of doing work for what type of work, for bringing a unit charge from infinity to that point. So this is a type of work. SI unit of work is joule, that is why numerator 1 joule and in denominator time, SI unit of time is 1 second, right. So this is electric potential. Next, another word is electric potential difference. What is electric potential difference? The amount of work done in bringing a unit charge from one point to another. That means the electric potential at A, let me to say VA is the electric potential at A. VB is the electric potential at point B. And what is the difference between the electric potentials between these 2 points? Then we can say that VB is the electric potential at B and VA is the electric potential at point A. Therefore the difference is VB minus VA. So that difference is called the potential difference between 2 points. So the main difference between electric potential and electric potential difference is electric potential is for a point in the conductor. Electric potential एक point का कहा जाता है and potential difference किसी 2 point के बीच में, right. So what is the definition of for finding writing electric potential difference? The amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another is the potential difference between these 2 points. A और B 2 point के बीच के potential difference क्या है? For bringing a unit charge from A to B, A से B तक एक यूनिट चार्ज को लाने में कितना वर्क हुआ है, उस वर्क को amount of work done को कहता है potential difference between those 2 points, right. And what is the necessity of potential difference? Potential difference का जरूरत क्या है? Potential difference की significance. What is the significance of potential difference? Let me to explain in a short way and simple way. For example, this is a stand, wooden stand, right? This is the slope of the stand. This is another leg, right? This is the stand, and one ball is rolling towards the down, right. This is a ball, the ball is rolling towards the down, clear. Ball is rolling. Why the ball is rolling? The ball is rolling because there is the difference in height. Here the height is little large and here very low height. So due to the difference in height of the table, the ball is rolling. Otherwise if there is no difference in height, if the table is like this, then the ball is here, the ball should be in stationary position, वो move नहीं कर रहा होता, because there is no change in height. Here there is a change in height. So there is a change in height, that is why there is a flow of the ball. Consider this ball is charged. So when if you want to move the ball, otherwise flow of charges is necessary, there should be a change in height, right. The change of height is necessary for flowing something. In the same way, for flowing charges through a conductor, flow of charge is called electric current. Flowing of charges, there is a difference in the ends of the conductor. There should be some difference is necessary, and that difference is called a potential difference, right. Now we are going to think about what is the connection, what is the relation between potential difference and current, right. The flow of the ball is called a current, otherwise flow of charge is called electric current. So if there is another table like this, here this is the table, right.